Introducing a unique service some people might not be aware of. Your tile and grout surfaces can be restored with the most advanced steam cleaning process available for ceramic, porcelain, and stone tile. Most flooring in commercial restrooms is ceramic, porcelain, and quarry tile with a cement-based grout. Grout is porous, which allows soil to be absorbed easily and susceptible to permanent staining. This is what allows odors to persist even after a thorough mopping. With proper maintenance, your tile surfaces can retain their like-new appearance for many years to come. The long-term buildup of soil particles, detergent residue, and hard water mineral deposits cause your tile and grout surfaces to dull, discolor, and appear unsanitary. After a floor cleaning, can we seal the grout? Yes, penetrating sealer is applied to the grout. It fills up the nooks and crannies so that wet stains cannot get below the surface. With hard surfaces like ceramic tile and grout, we only seal the grout.